Hello children, welcome back. We shall see an important activity today, that is presence of starch. Presence of starch. So what is all about this test? In this test, we shall see whether the starch is present in the leaf or not, whether the photosynthesis is carried out or not. To check those things, we use this activity as a parameter. This activity can be used in other activities where we shall confirm the presence of starch to check whether the photosynthesis has happened or not. Now we shall see what we will do in this activity. If you observe, in the laboratories, if you have seen in the laboratories, there will be a stand like this, a tripod stand, three-legged stand would be there, upon which a mesh will be placed, and upon that mesh we'll place a beaker. In that beaker we'll put some water. This water is boiled with the help of a burner, Bunsen burner or Bunsen burner, whatever it is. So with the help of Bunsen burner we'll boil this setup. Now we'll introduce a test tube with methylated spirit. We introduce a test tube with methylated spirit in that. Let this be methylated spirit. In this methylated spirit, a leaf is introduced. Before introducing the leaf into it, leaf will be boiled in the water for some time to lose its green pigment. We are doing this activity. Remember, to lose the pigment chlorophyll within the leaf, we are performing this particular activity. I mean this particular setup, this particular step. This particular step is carried out to remove chlorophyll from the leaf. So leaf is put in this. Now the leaf is introduced into this. Leaf is introduced into this methylated spirit. What is this thing? Methylated spirit is nothing but alcohol. Remember, methylated spirit is nothing but alcohol. So in this methylated spirit, you are heating this leaf. Why can't it be heated directly in the methylated spirit? Instead of taking this water bath, instead of taking this beaker, we can directly take methylated spirit in the beaker. Why not it be? Because methylated spirit has low boiling point. It will ignite at very less temperature when compared to water. So if it gets ignited, the leaf will be burnt, right? So in order to avoid that burning of leaf, what we are doing is we are taking water in a beaker and preparing water bath. This is called as water bath. If a water in a beaker is heated, boiled, then that setup is called as water bath. So this test tube with methylated spirit is kept in a water bath along with the leaf. Then after some time you can see this leaf will lose its green pigment and this entire methylated spirit turns into green color. Now we shall take out this particular leaf. This leaf is taken out. And what we shall do? With the help of a spatula or else forceps, whatever it is, we have to take out gently and place it in a petri dish. Petri dish is a small dish, okay, with very thin wall surrounded by it. It's a kind of plate, we use plate to eat in our homes, right? If that is made by glass and if it has diameter of 6 to 7 centimeters, then such kind of plate is nothing but petri plate or petri dish. It is named upon a scientist Petri, okay? So in this the leaf is placed. In this we'll pour some iodine. tincture iodine, you can say tincture iodine. So this tincture iodine makes this particular leaf. Now if you see leaf while after taking out from this methylated spirit, it will be in pale color. It won't have much brightness as before. Before it used to be very green. Now after boiling in a water bath with in the methylated spirit, it loses its green color and becomes pale, means light color. Then if you put tincture iodine upon that leaf, if you put tincture iodine upon that leaf, then what happens to that leaf? It turns into bluish black color, or else dark blue color, you can say blackish blue or bluish black, whatever. So dark blue color, it turns into dark blue color. If the leaf turns into dark blue color, then it indicates presence of starch. Then you can say the starch is present within that leaf. So this is the activity. See, the leaf which you are considering, remember it acts as a precaution in this activity. The leaf which you are considering must be very tender and taken from a fresh, taken freshly from a plant which is exposed well to sunlight, where there is lot of chance for preparation of this starch in it. You have to take it from the plant which is well grown and which would be well exposed to sunlight. Okay, then only this activity will be successful. If the leaf which is there within a dark place, then there is no chance, there will be no chance for this presence of starch. So try to take a fresh leaf for this activity. It's a precaution. And don't boil the leaf directly in the methylated spirit, because methylated spirit catches fire at very low temperature. So this is the activity, very important activity, which will be used in further activities even. So kindly learn this particular activity, try to understand this particular activity. Here tincture iodine is used to show the presence of starch. They may ask, betadine is will also be used. Instead of tincture iodine, you can use betadine also. Betadine is a solution, you can get it from medical shops or else druggists. Okay, that's all for this session. Bye bye.